welcome back to my channel. Here today I'll be potting up my cuttings that I received from the set. Once again, thank you the set for the awesome cuttings. I wanted to show you guys some things that I like to use. I like to use clay pots and also my own pots that I make, or pots that I find at the Goodwill. I do try to stick to terracotta pots for cactuses. Also, I use this screen, which is regular screening for like a screen door I had left over, so I used that. Then I thought about this baby thing after I saw, I think it was like Soul Sugar Succulent. I believe she bought something, but that is geared towards the plants to blow it out. So I bought this baby thing because I'm like, hey, that's the same thing as the baby thing. I think it went that way. I'm not sure if it was like that, but anyways, the idea came from her. So there you go. Then I've been wanting like little tweezers, and at the Dollar Tree, I believe it's like a 4-pack of tweezers. You get different tweezers. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're pretty good for what I use them for, to you know, pick stuff out from hard to reach places. Sometimes there's a leaf that is way inside and I can't pull it out because I might cause some damage to the plant. These really, you should not leave them in water. You know, if they do get wet, you need to dry them or they will probably rust up. I'm not sure because I haven't done that. Then there's a little brush and a big brush. And then on AliExpress, which is a very inexpensive website, I purchased all these were like $3 for all these plus free shipping. Actually, I think I paid for like better, quicker shipping, but I don't think it worked out. It still took long. I don't know. Anyways, they're pretty cute. I like them. I don't know if I'll use the tray, but I just wanted some pots that I can pot up my plants that I may have rooting, or just baby plants, propagation. That would be good for. So that's what I wanted these for. So some of the cuttings I'll put in there, the ones that are not rooted, but the cactuses are gonna go in this one. And for this pot, I am going to put the heart-shaped cactus, and here I have the mesh, and hopefully my camera stays in focus the whole time. This dirt is already mixed with perlite, cactus mix, and I put some diatomaceous dirt in there. If you guys want to Google what that is, you are more than welcome to Google that. Diatomaceous dirt. Okay, I won't be able to pot this one right now because it's all the way at the end and I might get hurt trying to reach for it, so we'll leave her alone at this time. Oh, I forgot scissors. Hold on. Okay, here are the scissors. I hope you guys are having a great, well, here, the summer start. Yeah, when does summer start? I don't even know when summer starts, but we're on summer vacation right now. You know, the kids are out from school, they're home. In a little bit, I'm very blessed and fortunate to be able to be home with my girls. So in a little bit, I'll do some cleaning. It's early in the morning. I think it's probably almost 8. But in a little bit, I'll probably do some cleaning and then go in the pool before it gets too hot. It's best to go in the pool early or in the late in the afternoon, not when the sun, because the storm can be such killer. Anyways, but lately here, it's like this nice during the day, and then in the afternoon it starts storming. So pretty much that's what the rhythm has been, so I'm expecting it to be that way. I'm just trying to squeeze the dirt on the sides. So guys, for now I have to slow down on the purchasing of plants because we have a trip planned to Dominican Republic, and that, ooh, mosquito. That is pretty pricey, you know, to travel as a big family. And this is Fred, guys. Isn't he beautiful? It's expensive to travel as a big family, you know, passports, tickets, places to stay. So it's pretty expensive. So I need to prioritize right now. Not buy anything. Doesn't mean that I might have a package coming. Because that was before, you know, I decided. So yes. I wish YouTube would hurry up and make my channel. They would already review my channel and make it a partner. Try to make sure it's facing the right way that I want it to face. Oh wait, slightly this way. My daughter loved this one when she saw it, because she was watching the video of the unboxing because she was doing something else inside. She was like, oh my gosh, I did not expect that reaction from her. But she was so excited. I'm just pressing down and making sure that this is facing the way I want it to face, and for it to be straight. So cactuses do take a little bit longer than succulents. It could take up to like from 3 weeks to a month to root. If you don't want to pull it all the way, you don't have to. You can just slightly tug on it, and if you feel resistant, then that means it rooted. I'm not gonna put this somewhere where it's gonna get full sun. It's gonna be in like a very bright area in my greenhouse while it roots. It's because when they're not rooted and you put them in direct sun, they're most likely gonna burn, definitely. So yeah, I have seen these here in Florida, and they are outdoors in the ground and they do well. So in the future, maybe I'll have one in front of my house, or maybe in a bigger pot, because I do love it so much. I just love, like, I don't know, the texture, the shape of it, the color. I can't explain it. So this one already had the mesh inside. And now, you know what? I don't even think. I'm gonna, so this is silver dollar jade. I almost called it that yesterday too, because for some reason it does remind me of silver dollar. So I'm gonna pot this one in one of these beautiful light blue pots. I thought that I actually was gonna get different colors, but I didn't, because they do come in different colors. But that's not how it went. So, yep. But I'm not gonna complain, because it was pretty cheap. The diatomaceous dirt is to help, you know, with bugs. Supposedly they can't handle the fine particles. Something that I heard, I don't know, or yeah, someone told me on YouTube and also read it, so I'm not sure. So that's pretty easy right there. Just pop it in there. Same thing, in a place where it'll get some bright light, not too much sun, because it can burn. I love this one too. I love how fat it is. I like chubby plants. I don't know why. It's something about them. They're so cute and chubby. So I really like that one too. I'm gonna pop, oh, I think she said something pine. Something pine trees, I can't remember. But she told me what it was. I'll probably put it on the screen for you. I hope you guys went over and checked her channel and let her know that I sent you over there. Guys, I'm getting a decent amount of subscribers. I'm almost, I haven't looked, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna reach 3,000 really soon. And as soon as I reach 3,000, I'm gonna do another giveaway. So keep an eye out for that. These, I'm just popping them in there too. These are really cool to do like a little, you know, fairy garden, like a little scene, and have these as pine trees. That is the name of it, like something pine. Okay, it looks pretty. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, here we go. The next one is a beautiful heart. Hold on. It's I think it's called a Puntia prickly pear. I'm not sure. I know it's prickly pear. So if you just look up cactus prickly pear, it should come up. Or even heart-shaped cactus, that might come up as well. I have to be very careful with that one. That's the only one that I believe can hurt me. It's so pretty. The color is so pretty. The shape is beautiful. So pretty. I think I need to add a little bit more dirt, but right this minute I'm not, because I'll have to go get more dirt and mix it. So for now I'll leave it like this for the purpose of the video. There she is. She looks lovely. I like this pot. It's not too tall, not too deep, so it's perfect for it. Let me move everything to the side and I'll show you guys. Oh, it's so cute. Everything's so cute. Cuttings are so easy to pot. You don't have to worry about anything really. Okay guys, so here are my plants all potted up. This is the silver dollar, something pine, prickly pear, and I don't know the name of this one. Well, his name is Fred, but other than that, I don't know the name of this cactus. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Lisette for doing a swap with me. I am so thankful. I really, really, really like these plants I received from you. I feel like they upgraded my collection in such a big way. So I want to thank you again, and you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much.